one tool that I like to use is this rake attachment for cleaning up the ground and fixing my grade a little. So this is supposed to go on the back of a tractor, and you can get one of these from Everything Attachment, but pretty much it's got some tines right here. They're pretty much aggressive tines, and you can actually rotate this the way you want. One of the things that you want to be careful of is to make sure that you pull this bar up, or it's gonna bend like this if you don't pull the bar up. But it's pretty sturdy so far. Now I'm gonna clean. I'm gonna use the rake to clean this.
Daddy, good.
Flip this around.
Wait, Daddy, so you can actually flip it? Damn, son. Oh, so like that. Daddy, ready?
Yeah, ready. Alright, so guys, I have to make more room in the backyard here, so I'm gonna cut these trees. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, 8 trees right here, and I'm gonna trim that limb that's on top here. But I'm gonna start with this one first because this is a small one. I've already attached it up there, just halfway, but I'm just gonna make a small cut and then let the machine pull the rest of the tree down. So let me get my saw ready. So this is it, guys. I just made a small cut, and it doesn't look like a lot, but it is a lot if you look at this. So this got to be put into the mulcher. I think I'll mulch everything tomorrow, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push everything back somewhere, so when there's no limbs, it's actually easier. So let me take out the knot of this one right here. All right, good morning, guys. Today is February, and I'm planning to drop some trees down. I've got a few pine trees, 2 pine trees and some water oak trees. That actually 4 pine trees. Yes. So the 2 pine trees that I want to take down are these 2 right here, and I'm going to take this one down. This one's got hit by lightning. I'm going to take this one down. This pine tree right here and this one right here. But I gotta move my trailer. I got some attachment over here that I'm gonna move out the way too, because they are in the way right now, and I may just simply move them towards the back here. But I want to have this whole entire area over here available to me, so I can just start putting my trailers in the back here. It's gonna make me turning around much easier. And if I want to back my trailer up a little bit further, I can. So I'm gonna get some help from my brother, and Andre is supposed to come out here and help me out today too. So we'll see how if they have time to stop by here. But before I do all that, I gotta go ahead and relocate all these attachments over here. I'm gonna put them towards the front of the house there, because since I'm gonna drop these trees right here, I don't want anything to fall on them, because these are expensive. These are very expensive. So let me get started on that. I'm gonna start by moving all these attachments, because there's quite a few things to move around. All right. Well, let me go ahead and do that.